everyone. I, Krishna More, welcome you in a new academic year 2020-2021. As we know that due to the COVID-19 crisis, we all have stuck down in our homes. So, our school has decided to adopt a new teaching learning process, that is online classes, because student security is school's first priority. So, we are following the online classes to learn new things. This year, for class 3 math subject, we are referring NCERT book Mathemagic, and we are beginning with this book. I am going to teach you as usual maths. So let's begin with the first chapter. The name of first chapter is Where to Look From. As we know that in a second standard we have learned a different kind of shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, diamond. But we don't know that whenever we see a particular thing and we need to draw it, we draw by using the same shapes. For example, let's see this picture. In this picture, one child from grade 3 has drawn a beautiful picture with trees, clouds and houses. Now when we see this picture, we can see that the sun is in a circular shape. The clouds are in a circular shape. When we see the house, the top is in a triangular shape. The door is in a rectangular shape. Means particular object, when we see and we need to draw, we use the different shapes to draw them. Means this is our angle to look at to the picture. Means however we see the picture, by which angle we see the picture, we are going to draw it. But if we change the angle, we change the direction, we can see a different angle or different view of that particular picture. For example, suppose here are few gift box, correct? Now first picture which we see, can you see the first picture? Now first one box, when we see from the top, we can see this kind of image. When we change the angle and we see from the one side, we can see such kind of images. Are you getting me? Means by which angle we see the picture, that angle we get a different view. Let's move to the next slide and check it out how we can see a different angles of different things. Now we use school bag. When we see from the top side, we get a different view. When we see from the front side, we get a different view. When we see from the sideways, we get a different views. Means by which angle we see the thing, that angle gives a different view to us. Am I right? Let's have a next picture. We all know the plates, dishes. Okay, if we see the dish from top side, we get a different view. It is called top view. When we see the dish from any right side or left side, we get a side view. When we see the dish from down side, we get a bottom view. Means there are different views we can see whenever we change the angle. Okay. Now look at these two pictures. What here I have done, when I was standing in front of a tree, I was watching just only the front view of a tree. Then what I did, I went on a terrace and I saw the tree from terrace. So I got to know there is another view of a tree, that is top view. So here are two different views I get from a different angle, front view and top view. Similarly, when we see table from front side, we get a front view of a table. When we go closer to the table and we see from the top, we get a top view. The object or a thing is same, but we changed our angle, so we got a different view. Let's move to the next slide. Now here are two pictures. What you have to do, you have to guess by which angle I have clicked these all pictures. Okay, I am giving you 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, comment your answer in a comment box and tell me first picture has a which view and second picture has which kind of view. Your time start now. Very good. Means I have got lots of comments over there. So first picture has a top view and the second picture has front view. Are you getting? Means by which angle we see the picture, we get a different views. Let's move to the next slide. Oh my god, this is a police van. Okay, now you can see first picture has clicked by sideway, so we can see there a side view. The second picture we can see from the top side, so it is a top view. And the third picture we can see from front side, so it has a front view. Here the police car has three different views: side view, top view and the front view. Are you getting me? One more for you. This is a shoe. Correct? When we see the shoes from up to down, we see the top view. When we see from any one side, left or right, we get a side view. And when we see the shoe from back side, we get a back view. Correct? Are you getting me? Let's move to the next. Now, our favorite cat. Okay, it has four different views. First is a front view, second top view, third side view and fourth back view. So every particular object has a different kind of views. However, we see it in a different angles. This is aeroplane. Now can you guess which kind of views are here? First view. Correct. It is a front view. Second, side. Third, it can be top or bottom. And fourth, also top or bottom. Correct? So, by which angle we see the picture, we see the things, we see the object. Every particular angle gives us a different view. Wow. This is a nice model of car. Yes. So first view is front view. Second view is a back view. Third and fourth side views. And the last one is a top view. So I wish that everybody has understood all kinds of views. Can you repeat with me? First, front view. Second, back view. Third, side views. Fourth, top views. And fifth, bottom view or downside view. Okay. Now here is a task for you. What you have to do, you can see a garden and the garden has clicked from top view. So you have to select any one thing from this given picture. You have to draw it by a different view, not from top view. Means suppose I select a car, I will draw it by a different view that can be side view, front view, back view, any view. So you have to draw the things in a different view and you have to send the photos to me immediately. Okay, so here I give you this task for today, and one more task is there which you have to play with your family member. Okay, let's have it. This activity you have to do with your family. What you have to do, you have to draw, you have to take a drawing paper first. You draw lots of top views on it. Okay, and ask your family members to guess what are they. Which pictures, which things top view you have drawn. Okay, and tell me in a comment box whether your family members have guessed it properly, they have recognized it properly or not. So here we are ending this session. We have learned today where to look from, means every angle has a different view, and particular object which we see by which angle gives us a different views. Thank you. Tomorrow we will meet again. Thank you very much.
बढ़िया डन अब अच्छा किया आपने.